Hello students, once again welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. So we are back again with the new video with the practical number 24 for class 12 computer science with Python practical file, and this is the last practical of the file, and it is based on the interface Python with MySQL, and the practical is to write a program to delete the record from the table. The coding we will write in Python and the changes will be reflected in the MySQL database software. So let us understand how to perform this practical. In the last practical, whatever we have done is we have updated a record. So now we are going to delete a particular record from the table. So for this purpose, we have again imported MySQL.connector module as M. Then we have created the connection object using the connect function, and in which we have passed the 4 parameters: user, host, password and database. Our database is school1, and the cursor object we have created using the cursor function. Now we need to write down the query for the delete statement. So we'll write down cursor dot execute delete from student, where we can take any of the four columns, any one of them: roll number, name, class or section. We should take one which has a unique value, because if we take class and if we take class values as 11, then both the records will be deleted. So that depends on your requirement, whatever you want to delete. Suppose we want to delete the record of Priya from this table. So name is Priya. Okay, so we are going to specify here delete from student where name equals to, let us give this in the curly braces, and here quotes dot format. Suppose we take the name from the user and we take it in like this, that is name. And now this name we are going to take from the user, name equals to input, enter the name whose record is to be deleted, like this. So we are going to specify the statement like this. We will enter the name, and that particular record which has a particular name will be deleted. And then we are going to give a print statement here, print record deleted, like this one. And then it says con dot commit, like this. And then we are going to close this program by using the close function, con dot close. Okay, like this one. Now we are going to run it and just check. And enter the name whose record is to be deleted. So we want to delete the record of Priya from this one. So we'll enter the name as suppose Priya, and it says record unknown column name. Okay. So enter the name whose record is to be deleted. We have given the name as Priya, and it says record deleted. Now we'll go to MySQL and check it. Select star from student. So you can see here the record with the name Priya has been deleted, and we are left only with the 2 records. So we can take the screenshot of this one along with the Python ideally की जो output screen पे आया, this thing. So first we need to take the coding of this one. हमने यहाँ से इसकी coding का screenshot लिया like this. Like this, and then we are going to the MS Word and we are going to paste it. और paste करने के बाद we'll adjust it as per our requirement. Then we'll give the heading as output, and then press the enter key again. Go to the output screen where the output has come, Windows Shift and S. Then we are going to take the screenshot of this much part, and then we will go to the MS Word file, paste the screenshot here, and also from the MySQL we are going to take the screenshot of this much part where the original data was there and the data which has been deleted. So Windows Shift and S, and we will take this much part, that is this, and here we are going to paste it. यानी कि अर्लियर जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 रिकॉर्ड्स थे डिलीट करने के बाद ये इस तरह से हो चुके, ठीक है. एंड हमने MySQL में डिलीट स्टेटमेंट का यूज नहीं किया, हमने ये स्टेटमेंट यूज किया है अपने पाइथन के अंदर, एंड द चेंजेस हैव बीन रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द MySQL डेटाबेस सॉफ्टवेयर. So this is how, students, we have done this program and added the screenshot in the file also. With this, our practical file is complete. All the necessary programs which were there from the different chapters, then our interface Python with MySQL and the SQL commands practicals we have completed. I hope, students, these are clear to all of you. Still, if any doubt is there, please ask in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful and all the practicals helpful, you can share it with your friends also. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.